Okay, so it's 2:35 a.m. right now and I'm panic studying because kahapon, nag-message yung middle ng class na may oral daw, recitation, and oh my gosh, like, girl, 5 p.m. na yon, almost 5 p.m. na yun, tapos ganyan lang magsabi si ma'am na bukas na. Eh, pasok namin ngayon, I mean later, 8 a.m. So like, so, wala. Naghigahiga, nanood muna ako, and now, ngayon lang ako na-motivate na mag-study because naman natin mapahiya, diba? So I'm like, reading sa Kodal na lang ako para fast retention, fast studying. And I'm just relying on my old book kasi wala pa naman akong reference for this subject because review subject, but I'm using the old book na nandito naman yung topics. And I'm also going to resort to using these flashcards regarding the topic because pwede naman ito gawin ko sa class, diba? I mean, pag papunta na sa class, I can just, for me, I don't know, for me, flashcards work. I mean, Q&A questions, I'm good with that because much more, I mean, mas maganda yung retention ko doon. For me, ha. I don't know if it works for others, but that's the thing.
Smuggling, hoarding of rice, hoarding of dressed chicken, hoarding of eggs. Kasi minsan,
Guys, ang ganda na yun. Ayan guys, we're only 3 people and we have 3 pizzas. Like, ito lang. Kami lang. And guys, the moon is out. What is it again? Okay, so lahat sila carbonara. Like, seriously guys. My own Misaki-chan. If you know, you know. Ah, diba? Nayubo! Diba Japanese nayubo? Go girls!
사기 좋지. 남자들 나랑 사귄 거만 행복한 이유가 있겠어?
Maraming basura. I think they haven't had the time to clean up. Okay, so it's 9:30 a.m. I think I have a class at 10. And I'm not ready for this class. Guys, by the way, it's Sunday, so no more weekends off. So I have this tumbler with me, para same color. And I'll just have aloe vera as my snack later because the class will be, I don't know, our schedule is 9 to 1 p.m. So our sir encouraged us to bring our snacks or like lunch and everything.
Hindi kami parehas si Anthony Pangilinan, ha? Yung life coach. You know him? Anthony Pangilinan, asawa ni Maricel Lacson. He's a life coach. Hindi ako life coach, ha? I'm just a lifeguard.
Guys, I stood over 1 hour, no?
Sobra 1 hour.
Sobra 1 hour.
Binisip naman si Pancho. Pero kung nakikita niyo pakita ni video, ikaw ano. Ikaw ang kasi nilikan ni Sir.
Nagito na napin, nagito. Di ba naman si ikipisin na brad niya kang iran ng. Ko lang naman.
To our faculty union. Let us all rise for the Bangsamoro game.
Ha? Bakit? Salamat niya.
And the answer is no. Kailangan. Another question. In relation to that question, why percentage of Chinese
Okay, so I have my tea, my coffee, my water. Also, I'm going to eat some chocolates for like a little pick-me-up. Then I'm still not yet done, like, still not yet done writing my assignment. Like, all those unhighlighted portions, I still haven't done those. So, the deadline is this midnight and it's almost 6 p.m. Oh my god. Let's do this, guys. Another assignment, and it's what? Ano yan? This is Coke. This is water.
Work sa morning sa Pado.
Na kasabar. Kasabar.
Matalo?
Tuning kami ni Ash ng bag. Lahat wala kami naka-duck. Tapos lahat kami naka-brown shoes. Where's your shoes, girl? Jersey? Jersey? Oo. Hindi ka na nakapatan. Kasi bukas ang ganda ng bukuan. Mga sabi kayo kumagin namin, sira ng baguro mo. Wala siya, wala ka na. At binulangan kasi. Okay, and for dinner, we're having coffee with the fam.
Narito pa na siya.
Hindi posible naman you don't want your husband to Antay ka muna dyan. Kikiligan ko. Anak lang sa Saturday. Singa-singa ko pa natin so hindi ka. Di ba, niya ko matan na nabi niya to sulot ng sa leather jacket. Thank you.
Ano?
Hindi ka distinguish ka malagid sa elements.
Problema wala nun.
Very, very malagid sa elements.
Problema mo na yan.
Help me with this direct and indirect.
Importante lang nakapasa kami. Kung may nintindihan kami, good luck na lang. Katulad ng past na. So, itong dalawang question. Yung isa na, still, lahat sila frame mo ko na. Plead guilty na gusto ko plead guilty na di ba yung mga search nila. Kaya badminton break. Baka na ako synchronize. Parang sobrang ba't yan kasi next time you know the rest of the practice na kasi. Guys, it took what? 40 minutes? 40 minutes yung food, so definitely not worth it. Kasi hindi din masarap yung bulgogi pasta nila or something. Okay lang yung sandwich actually. What's the time? It's 2 p.m. And I'm just like making reels about this book because guys, this is so good. Like, forget midterm exam. I cannot stop thinking about this book. I finished it like 3 days ago. One of my top reads this year. So, if you're looking for a productive student, you can find it here. This is a real student with real distractions. Oh my gosh.
You're so hot like summer.